At MAGGMALIGHT, we believe that lighting is far more than just a technical detail. Let me share my story with you and how I see things. It's a powerful tool that transforms spaces, increases comfort, ensures safety, and most importantly, adds real value to your project. I am OUHSSAINE, I'm a lighting designer, and I am the founder of MAGGMALIGHT. After years of experience as a designer working for lighting manufacturers and distributors, I launched MAGGMALIGHT back in Lyon in 2021. Why? I actually wanted to break free from the limitations of brand-driven design. I wanted to be able to choose the right lighting solution for each space and for each client, not just the ones a brand wanted me to push even when they weren't the best fit. So I built an independent lighting design studio, free to choose the right solutions for each project with no brand bias. Just smart, functional, aesthetic, and innovative lighting. What we do? We design tailor-made lighting for architects, property developers, and private clients. We also assess lighting professionals with photometric calculations and studies in addition to fancy 3D simulations. Look here. Additionally, we offer professional training in lighting design, DIALux, Evo, Relux, and AutoCAD for lighting specialists looking to refine their skills. As an official Relux trainer, I've had the privilege of teaching professionals worldwide, including delivering a Relux training module as part of the Swiss Federal Certificate Program for Lighting Designers in collaboration with the Swiss Lighting Association. I also share my knowledge of lighting design through my YouTube channel, where my tutorials have reached hundreds of thousands of viewers globally, helping lighting enthusiasts and professionals enhance their skills. Thanks to our global reach, technical precision, and multilingual communication, we work with clients all over the globe. From Switzerland, Germany, Sweden, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the US to Morocco and Australia. Our portfolio includes a wide range of projects, from chalets to sport facilities, luxurious private villas, public parks and streets, and even unique projects like this alien house situated in the Californian desert. Why does all this matter to you? A well-designed lighting system is a smart investment. It enhances the value of your spaces, cuts energy consumption, and creates the right ambience, warm, elegant, and welcoming. And the process, clear and efficient. You see everything in advance with 3D models and photometric studies showing exactly how light behaves in your space. We design, we supply the lights from trusted and reliable brands, and we install everything seamlessly, strictly following the detailed plans we provided. We also integrate smart lighting control, allowing you to automate scenes, manage light remotely, and increase comfort, security, and energy savings. If you have a project, MAGGMALIGHT will design, guide, and deliver lighting that elevates every detail, seamlessly and beautifully, of course. MAGGMALIGHT, your light, your way.